AI app Alchemy review. We are here. I'm going to be doing a review for this specific product, guys. We have some bonuses. I'm going to also cover all the bonuses that I have for you because I believe that it's going to make a difference if you are an affiliate marketer, if you're a network marketer, if you want to just give bonuses and help people out. If your key goal is to help people, then take a look at this product because it will make a difference for you. It's personally made a difference for myself. It's up my marketing game as an affiliate marketer. This channel was created, you guys know, to also give you tips, give you strategies, give you ways for you to pave the way for your dreams to come true. But it's also leveled up my game when it comes to my marketing because of what I can deliver, what I can get out there. So today I have also a special bonus. In fact, I'm going to cover the bonus for you, and I'm also going to share with you exactly how to get it. Now, I will say that there'll be a link in the description directly that's going to Warrior Plus. And in order for you to get the bonus when this is launched, because I'm actually shooting this video before the launch of AI app Alchemy. So right now, if you click on the link and you even go to my page, you will not find the possibility to purchase it. It's going to be there in a couple of days. I am shooting this ad hoc video. Usually on Wednesday, I post about, other tools. Well, this is kind of software, so it still sticks with the entire theme of what I want to share with you guys. We will definitely go over it. As I mentioned, AI app Alchemy is by a student of Wayne Crow's. It's the reason why I'm doing the review myself, because I personally have the, let's say, back-end version of this entire course, and I can see the value that it's provided me personally. So this is not something that I don't own. I'm reviewing it because I personally own this. So in case you are interested in it, you can find the links in the description of this video, which will include the bonuses. I'm going to say this again, but it will include the bonus. Okay, so I hope this bonus is going to be very helpful for you because we want to get you up and running. So what is AI app Alchemy about? Simply put, guys, AI app Alchemy is all about vibe coding, but specifically to create applications with functional purposes. Okay, the difference between this and vibe coding as a whole is that you can go out on YouTube, you can research things, you can get all the information you need for vibe coding, and it's very possible, right? You'll see a lot of even ads on YouTube talking about base 44 and stuff like that, which are all vibe coding platforms. But the difference here is that there is a build first approach to this training. So it's not just learn the concept and go ahead and do it. No, he's going to give you, God's will is going to give you a prompt and everything else that's helping you build the actual app from the get-go. So you enter into this entire structure or training and you've already built something. Now it's up to you if you want to build something that's useful. Maybe you're an affiliate marketer and you want to build an app that's going to help you with your bonuses, or maybe you want to build an app which is going to help you like I'm doing, which is like a command center for myself. I have a day-to-day structure when it comes to my affiliate marketing, so that's the back-end work that I'm putting in. It's taking longer than I expected. I know that that's a bigger, more complicated app. I learned that from this training itself. All right, so we're using a structure that helps you get to the point and then get better and better and better at it. It's honestly a really nice approach because the first app that I built, this is just my experience, the first app that I built personally, it was a very simple tracking software or app that I built for actual laundry. Okay, yes, this is nothing to do with affiliate marketing. Okay, I built a app for a laundry that was only supposed to track a specific thing. So I got all the information from this laundry and I was able to then create the app and then deliver the app to them so that they can go out there, use it themselves. So I think that's a cool use case to have, and it has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, but it's for you guys to understand that, this is a build first kind of approach. The feeling that I got personally when I built that app was the confidence that I can do this again and again. And even if it's a little bit of an income coming in, you could have a revenue stream created from these small apps that you start to build, and later on they can become more of a service. Remember, your expertise leveraging AI is going to help you make the most amount of value for that business or that person that you're helping with. Okay, so just want to say that very quickly. And on that note, the biggest problem that I think that people have when it comes to vibe coding is, what app do I build? I mean, even base 44 guys, even the people who are building these vibe coding apps, that is what they talk about when it comes to an idea. Many people build the same ideas. So what I did for you as a bonus, and I'm going to share with you about the bonus, then we'll go over the entire cost and everything structure. If you do decide to get AI app Alchemy, the bonus that I am offering you guys is right here. So you'll find a link to this on my bonus page. Okay, it's not going to be immediately, it's going to be only after you access the actual offer. So if you purchase it, then you'll get access to this bonus. And it's very simple. I wanted to create the structure with the course itself. I created this app. Okay, so it has the same values, it has the same structure, it has the same logic of helping you. And this is a very simple web app that I created for you guys to help you get I basically analyze your ideas and see whether it makes sense. Okay, so this is just for you to go and click here. You'll be able to go through 7 questions, so it's not too complicated. It has I built it in such a way that it has a really nice brain behind it that is thinking about it, because I would love to give this bonus to other people also in the future for multiple things. So it's going to be useful for everybody, right? So the aim here is not for me to just create another bonus. It's supposed to help you with this idea. Remember, we are talking about this course that is going to teach you how to build an app. Now I'll go through the sales page of the course so that you guys can see who God's will is, and I'll talk about everything. So we'll just cover it very quickly. I'm just going to do a very quick research on it. So let's say if you click on other, you can type over here. Okay, so it's not limited to these niches. But let's say you want to do something related to content creation. You click on next. It'll tell you what you want to talk about. Let's say you want to build solve a problem. You answer the question. For who? For marketers. Okay, what is your biggest pain point for them right now? Most of the time that they can't validate their ideas, or they don't know their audience, or they don't know their niche, or they're stuck choosing. What is the issue? Okay, these are all actual pain points that I also have faced in my past, so that's why I built it. But let's say they can't validate their ideas. Okay, what kind of app do you want to build? Okay, so then it tells you what kind of app do you want to build. Do you want to build a tracker? Do you want to build a planner? Do you want to build a generator? What kind of information do you want? So let's just say, let's build a tracker. Okay, what do you want to track? Do you want, oh, this is because we're talking about the build of the app, right? So it's going to tell you what kind of app, and then it's going to ask you what kind of current skill do you have. And now I'm going to personally say that I have no code only skill, which means I don't really know how to do anything. That's it. That's what it means. We go through it, you say how simple it is, and then and so on and so forth. Let's say you want a fast win, a balanced approach, or more custom platform, so you can get a little bit more advanced even with this app. Okay, but let's say we want a balanced approach, and this is what it gives you. Okay, so it's going to give you a content idea tracker. It's going to tell you the use case. So this is going to help you build the app, and then let's say you want to pitch that app to a person. Let's say you want to pitch that app to a community. Let's say you want to share that app to as a free app. Then you know why. You know the specific use case behind it and why it fits. Okay, so to help creators, we help creators spot weak hooks before posting. You don't want a technical first app, and you want to validate ideas fast. So a checker app is a strong first build. It's going to talk about the ROI calculator, which is basically a backup idea. I wanted to include one main idea and then 2 backup ideas in case you don't understand it. So a calculator could be another option, which is again content calculator. The use case, it helps creators audience, targets, and based on their posting goals, it helps them. Okay, or a weekly content planner. This is something that a lot of people do, so it's not the best idea. The best idea is up here. I believe so as well, for specific reasons. Okay, so the checker is really going to be important because it validates what you want to do when you're doing it. And by the way, guys, with these kind of apps, you can automate it even further by using something like, Cloud Cowork or something like that to use the same framework. So this app becomes multi-purpose for you. I hope that you're it's not about the bonus, but this entire bonus, guys, I have built specifically with the AI app Alchemy. Structure in literally 10 minutes. He's going to give you the layout, the framework exactly that he uses, but it's also the framework that you see right here. And using this framework, guys, I'm currently building more command center for myself, and this is for me, which I will then definitely give to other people. But you can see it's by Dips with Dave and everything else. I don't want to go and show you guys the tracker, but this, for example, is the access to, it says Lavanderia because we're in Italy, guys. But this is the access. There needs to be a pin. The security is there. So everything is deliverable to the client. And this is something that I built with the exact framework. So those are 3 examples. Let's cover what you get within AI app Alchemy so that we understand exact. So on the front end, guys, we have the $7 offer. So it costs you $7 to get started with this. Okay, that's the front one. And then me as an affiliate, I make 100% of commissions in the front, and then there's 50% commissions in the back. Just for you guys, I want to be transparent so you understand it. But then there are a few order bumps and stuff like that. So the order bump includes the vibe prompts. These are 5 different tools that you are able to build more, basically. Then you'll get 25 complete blueprints of 5 niches that have more, basically, GPT ideas, fresh ideas, and so on and so forth. And this includes different blueprints, which is what the value is. I've actually used some of these OTOs, guys, in creating my app in this entire process. Just if you do consider an OTO, that's great. If you don't, that's fine. Absolutely. You can at least test it out. $7. What do you have to lose? $7 to get it. And you'll be able to test out and create an app and see whether it's for you. Because sometimes these things just need a little bit of a push before you learn more. That's it. I needed that as well. So I'm saying it from a personal experience. Anyway, then you can, if you want God's will for himself to build the app for you, and you get the specifications, you get the instructions, you get everything. That's the order bump number 2. That obviously is at a higher cost. It's about $297 for that. And it's basically a done for you service. Like, he's going to create it for you. He's going to give you what to do to be able to then deliver that app to another person. And that can be a recurring income for yourself in the future as well. Then there are a couple of other audios, as you guys can see right here. I'm not going to go through everything. I just wanted to share with you that this is the sales page. We'll very quickly go through it. It's vibe coding. I'm saying this. It's going to cost you $7. And it's really a nice course. I've been working with God's Will one-on-one, let's say, through the course itself for the last month, actually for a month and a half, almost 2 months. And he has a lot of patience, guys. He is there to support you. We have an amazing group and community, and I'm sure that I will invite you to that community once you do get started, because I will be there. And let's just help each other out. In case you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. At this stage, if you are interested, you will be able to come to this page right here. As you can see right now, it says coming soon. But on the 3rd, which is Friday, guys, I believe it is Friday, you will be able to click on this button. Or if you're watching this on Friday, it is today. Okay, you'll be able to click on this button to get access for $7 to this course. So I would 100% recommend it, not because I'm also a purchased and owner, and I always say that I'm an affiliate for things that I actually own, but also because if you're really interested in learning a skill set that can go beyond affiliate marketing, that can go beyond the niches that we're in. As I said, I built something for a laundry, and I showed you guys a little bit of the access to it. People have simple use cases. Where you're at, the idea you have can actually start to become an income stream for yourself. But we have to take the first step, right? That is my personal opinion about it. Each one has their own time they can dedicate to it. But when you take the first step, that's when the changes happen. Anyways, this is what, as I mentioned, this is what I wanted to share with you. You'll find all the information below. I'm just going to tell you how you can access the bonus. So once you make the purchase of the product, basically you will get an email from Warrior Plus. Let me see if I can bring up an email, guys. So guys, here I am on Warrior Plus. When you purchase a product, you'll see thank you for your purchase on top right here. Okay, I'm trying to hide this because I have my personal details here, but basically you'll see the sales here. This is just me buying traffic, but it's through Warrior Plus, so you will see the exact same thing. When you click on access your purchase right here, okay, you'll be able to access your purchase, but it also will say access your bonuses right here. All right, it will say access your bonuses right here, and you'll be able to see it on this screen. So look here, when you do purchase it, you get access to your bonuses, which is basically going to give you this app itself that will not only generate one idea, but it'll generate you 2 bonus ideas in case you need it. All you need to do is go to, or you can edit the answers, go to this page, click on get apps and get app ideas. It's going to give you the idea, and then you can take that idea, and once you have AI app Alchemy, you can use the framework that's here to create that app for yourself. So I hope this goes hand in hand and helps you out, guys. As I said, to get access to the bonuses, click on the link below. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help. There's no problem reaching out to me. I've honestly just loved, in just today itself, I built 2 more apps. It starts to become a little bit of an addiction. Just kidding. Take a look there and keep paving the way for dreams. So I'm sure I'm going to see you guys on the next video.